The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Perry County in southeastern Ohio until 6:30 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pleasantville, or 9 miles west of Somerset, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Perry County, including the following locations: Glenford and Thornville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The flash flood warning for